In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem of SIM card contacts not showing on your Android phone. First things first, grab your Android device and locate the phone app. Once you have the app open, look for the Contacts tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to access your contacts list. Now that you're in the Contacts section, let's navigate to the settings. Look towards the top right corner of your screen for three little dots. This is where all the additional options are hidden. Tap on those dots, and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Contacts Settings. In the Contacts Settings menu, find and tap on Import Contacts. You'll now see two sections labeled From and To. Let's start with the From section. Here, you'll want to select your SIM card as the source from which you want to import contacts. Once selected, take a moment to decide which contacts you'd like to import. You can either tap each contact individually or choose all if you prefer importing every single contact stored on your SIM card at once. Next up is selecting where these contacts will go. In the To section, make sure you select Phone. This ensures that all imported contacts are saved directly onto your device's internal memory. This step is crucial because it allows for easy access later without needing your SIM card inserted. After making these selections, from being your SIM card and to being your phone, it's time for action. Look for an Import button and give it a tap. The importing process should begin immediately. Depending on how many contacts you're transferring, this might take just a few seconds or longer if there are many entries involved. Once completed, return back to your main contacts page. You should now see all those previously missing contacts neatly listed there. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.